Rock, report range status.
Range green.
T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go for main engine start. 0 and liftoff.
This is no ordinary aircraft, and on board is no ordinary spacecraft. This C5 Super Galaxy is hauling something special.
It can carry what no other airplane can carry in the Air Force. Width, length, weight, you name it, it can get on that thing. This jet can do it like no other jet.
After 2 years of construction at Lockheed Martin in Denver and a few hours in the air, NOAA's GOES-S has finally made it to Kennedy Space Center, where the countdown to T0 begins.
It's always exciting to bring a satellite down to Kennedy Space Center and participate in that whole activity of getting a satellite ready for launch.
Getting it out here and rolling it into the launch processing facility, that was a very big deal for us. It's one of the hugest milestones in any spacecraft program is shipped. It's not easy to transport something like this across the country.
And this is where the rubber meets the road. This is where all these people that have worked on this program for a couple years, it culminates into the excitement of getting ready for what we call launch fever.
And so now, we get to kind of do some of the fun stuff, like put it on a giant airplane and take it to Kennedy Space Center, where we get to prepare it to go onto an Atlas V launch vehicle and launch.
It's the job of NASA's Launch Services Program to get GOES-S into orbit. And they have just a few months to do the final launch preps and inspections before T0 arrives. This is no easy task with a spacecraft of this size and complexity. In spaceflight, there are no second chances. A successful launch is resting on their shoulders. It has to be perfect the first time.
It's very exciting. I love being a part of this, and I love being able to contribute to the spacecraft and to its success.
GOES-S is the second part of a weather satellite upgrade project NOAA is undertaking, destined to save lives by modernizing our weather forecasting ability.
We have a very young team, and this will be their first campaign. So we're trying to put the excitement into that, let them feel what it's like to touch the spacecraft for the last time. Launch operations is time we all get together for one goal, which is launch.
But achieving that goal will not be easy. The road to T0 has just begun.